Hello, today I'm just going to show you the feature flag in Boozang. And flag is something that you use to handle conditional situations in Boozang. And of course you can use if groups, you can use the else statement in Boozang, you can use loops. There's many different ways to handle conditionals, but flag is one of the more flexible and popular ones when it comes to complex logic. So let me just demonstrate that now. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to call this, I'm going to create the test called flag demo. And then I'm just going to record a couple of actions here in the lab.boozang.com. So I'm clicking introduction and then overview. And I'm just going to stop this and try and play this back. So what you see is, of course, it clicks introduction and overview, just as you would have expected from the test. But of course here, if I want to, I can now add flags to this. So I'll add this overview, and you can see it showing up in the tool, right? And I'll call this intro. And then if I want to now, I can add a script action that would go to these flags. So this is very similar to the switch statement in JavaScript, where it will jump over a number of actions until it finds a match, okay? So here I will use goto flag, and I will just use here intro. Now if I run this, I'm going to expect this to jump to the next action and execute normally, okay? Okay, cool. So now I'm just going to try and change this and change it to overview. And as you can see, it skipped the intro click, right? And that means even if I would record something inside of this, which doesn't have a flag, it will also skip that. So let's run this and see. As you can see, it just jumps to the condition, the flag that it matches. So remember, this can be used as a JavaScript, very similar to the switch statement. So it's very good when you have something which could have many different outcomes, but you want to maybe choose between not just like if, else, but many different outcomes. So that's a good example of when you want to use this. And let me just show you here also in the exit conditions. If you go to condition for an action, depending on the outcome of an action, in the go to section here, you can say set. And here you have go to flag, and it will allow you to select from the different exit conditions as well. So you can use this using script or exit conditions. So it's very flexible.